Hi everyone, back with me again. So a lot of you know like how hard it is to create HTTP request since most of you is beginners using no code tools and doesn't really know how JSON code works or how JSON code like structure. Today I'm gonna create a tutorial for you guys how to integrate everything using HTTP posts. All right, let's get to it. I know how hard it is if you are coming from non-programmer background to get into like AI automations or AI anything. For you that use no code tools, actually there's a simpler way how to integrate everything, every kind of software into your automation tools. Either you're using like let's say in here if you're looking let's say call.com and make.com, you can integrate API. But most of the time, this kind of like integration is not really stable in a way. So to get better connections with the API, usually what we are doing is using HTTP make a request. For today, I'm gonna create integrations to call.com. So I'm gonna create a booking, but basically you can do it with any kind of software or any kind of like integrations. Either you want to get a booking or get a data or create a booking or create a call or whatever it is. What you need is the software that has the API reference here. So this will be our main tool to fill in the HTTP request. And I will show you how to read it beginner way for you to understand how this works. Right, let's get started. So you can get like since I'm using call.com, you can get all the booking, create a booking, get a booking, or schedule a booking, cancel a booking. Now what we want to do for now is just gonna create a booking, but basically you can do it with anything else. So before like you are overwhelmed with like how to get the URL, how to get the headers, how to get the body type. Actually like it's pretty easy if you understands how this works. So first for the URL, you need to get the post feature bookings here. All right, let's try the URL. Gonna here after the copy it, and then the method will be post since here is the method is post. Now for the headers you need to like the call API version, it will be string, and the default will be this, and then the body. The body will have like the start. The start example will be here. Event type ID will be example from your type ID, and then you can show the attendee string like in minute. Okay, string, meaning URL, locations, metadata, booking field response. Response you have anything else. Now, before you get overwhelmed with this, you need to understood first like what's happening inside this. So let's say I have the schedule class. This is the event type ID here. And then if I'm looking to the advanced, what I need to fill is only your name, email address. I'm gonna turn off the additional tags. I'm gonna turn off the address, and I'm gonna turn off the recent per schedule. So this will make it more simple for you. If you want to edit, you can edit later on. For now, what we need is only your name and email address. Now to create a booking, we're gonna try it first here. Okay, so for now, what we need to do is the start. Okay, let's say the start string in UTC zone. So wait, let me get back here first. I'm gonna copy this so let me get it easier. I think they have a different kind of options, like in minutes, number. What's the options here? for instant booking. Option 3 was guess. All right. I'm just gonna stick to the options one. I'm gonna try it, and here will be still the same. And then I'm gonna, since today is 27th, so I'm gonna make it 25. Then probably 5 here. Then I'm gonna create it on 3. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it that way. Event type ID. All right, so event type ID will be here. I'm gonna copy this, copy here. So attendee name. All right, I'm just gonna put my name. Attendee time zone will be here. Harder for me. Attendee email will be attendee phone number. Um, like in minutes will be 30 minutes. Number, meeting URL. I'm just gonna get it from my Google Meet. Right. I'm gonna copy this. It's always changing here. Right. Booking field response. All right. Here I think like we need to have enter key of me property name. Is that correct? Or your name and email. All right. Since in the response we have the your name and email address, so I'm just gonna use name and email here. Let me try to take the identifier will be name, and here the identifier will be email. So it's all small. Let's name, and then this will be email. I'm gonna put it again. Here, nothing like location type. It's gonna be Google Meet. Now, how to read this? So can I? Yeah, all right. So what you need to look is for the Python here. So from Python, this is the URL. So this will go to here, same thing. And then we're looking for headers here. So the headers is, first is the call API version. All right, we're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna add a header, name call API versions, and then it will be here for the value. And then we're gonna add another one for the headers. It's gonna be content type. And then for the value will be applications JSON. And then for the query string, oh no, we don't need this, sorry. It's the body type will be raw. And then type is JSON. And then the request content. So for the request content, we got a copy here for the payload. So the payload is for the request content. We're gonna copy it from here until here. Right? And save it. Now let's try to run this. All right. Timestamp. We got the back request because of the timestamp. And then we got the back request exceptions. Non white space pattern after JSON positions. All right. Is there any white space here? No. No. All right. So the only problem is here. Oh, yep. Show me. It's, oh, here. Oh, yeah. So we copy this too. So it's supposed to be just this thing. I'm just gonna put it here. Let's see. So that's our mistakes. All right, I'm gonna save it and then run this one on. Fine. At our status times time. It's supposed to be, so we got a problem with timestamp. Yes. Let me try this with 12. I'm not sure about this. I think like it has a problem with this, right? 13. Is it because of like 3 is uh, May? Oh yeah, 3 is Saturday. I put 3 as like non-holiday. So let's try again on 15. I think that's the problem. All right. So we have problems in like in minutes. Go back again. Save on this one only. All right. So the event type has polling location type integration here. Something like this. Let's try again. Code bed request exception is expected double quoted property name in JSON. Let's try again. Fix this. Hmm. Prepare was. Right. I'm not really sure what's wrong, but I'm just gonna fix that with that. Let's try again. And I'm gonna run this model again. All right, it's success. We fix it on 20, and now you can see it's working. So don't worry about it. I think like it's a lot easier for you to understand. Just make sure that you kind of like fiddling in regarding about the essence, and you can get all the things from all the API docs. To be honest, it's a lot easier, and don't be panicked when you have problems, and just read the message carefully. Sometimes you need to delete some things or add some things. The JSON that editor online will be helpful for you to fix all of the problems uh, for the integrations, and you can integrate everything, all kind of software into this. All right, I think that's all, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.